Fostering positive interdependence. To reap the benefits of collaborative learning, students need to work together in ways that depend on everybody's understanding. Fostering positive interdependence is a primary goal for successful group work. Classroom norms are agreed upon ways of behaving. The following are some norms that encourage interdependence. 1. Remind students to stay focused on the group's work and to refrain from talking outside of the group. Status often plays into the desire to go outside of a group, indicating that students do not believe their group has the ability to successfully do a task together. By prohibiting outside talk, instructors are insisting that every group has the capacity to make progress on the task. 2. Remind students that they have the right to ask anybody in their group for help. They also have the duty to give help to anybody who asks. Many students are often reluctant to slow down and help a peer. However, helping peers often enhances learning, as it gives an opportunity for students to make sense of their own thinking and understanding. 3. Remind students that helping is not the same as telling. Students must understand that they should be teaching each other, not just exchanging answers. Instructors should model asking questions to make sense of others' mathematical thinking and explicitly state that students should imitate this behavior. Other important norms include making sure everyone gets a turn, giving reasons for ideas, listening to different ideas, and reminding students to play their role. Productive collaboration is marked by a creative interchange of ideas and well-distributed participation. Establishing roles in group works is a means of delegating authority to students. The following are roles that work well in mathematics classrooms. A facilitator makes sure that everyone understands a task and organizes the team so they can complete the task. A resource monitor collects supplies, calls the teacher over for question, and organizes cleanup. A recorder-reporter gives updates on progress, makes sure members are recording work and data, and organizes and introduces a group report. A team captain encourages participation, enforces norms, and finds compromises among the group. Instructional routines are routines that support positive interdependence. Some interactional routines to employ are group questions. Instructors will only accept a question from the group if the students have asked each other first. Only the resource monitor may ask the teacher to come over. Quick starts. Students are expected to get themselves ready to work at the start of class. Materials are in place and students are ready to get right to work. Individual think time. Facilitators can ask that students take some quiet time to make their own notes before group work begins. Students get the opportunity to share their multiple perspectives. Sentence starters. These can be posted in the classroom and help students discuss thinking together. These should include sentences like, what does this mean? Why did you do this? Lastly, accountability can be established through a variety of means. Through an individual student by emphasizing group role. Instructors can help bring students back to a task and push particular students to participate in the conversation. Through self-evaluation, students can check their group work skills and conceptual skills. Through checkpoints, instructors can check for understanding before moving on. Students are randomly chosen to explain and answer about the activity. No one is able to race ahead, and students are encouraged to seek and offer help to peers. Through shuffle quizzes, everyone is required to keep individual work, and the instructor will randomly choose one at the end of the task. These are some tips for creating positive interdependence in collaborative work.